Good morning, students and staff. This is the first time in 2 years we have had a school-wide assembly, and it feels so good having all of us together.
Our students and our staff have absolutely no idea why you're here, and definitely they have no idea why there are all these news stations here.
Lowell Milken, chairman of the Milken Family Foundation, created a program 35 years ago to honor great educators called the Milken Educator Awards. And before we leave today, an educator right here at Farmer Elementary will receive this national award.
The Milken Educator Award and $25,000 goes to Jessica Goodman.
The Milken Educator Award goes to Kevin Daly.
This is what I know about Mr. Daly. He instills in his students the importance of being good citizens. When 8th graders leave his classroom, they take with them a strong foundation that sets them up for positive experiences in high school and beyond.
Today lifts up not just the teacher we recognize, Jessica Goodman, but all Kentucky public school teachers. It says what they do is heroic, it's important, and for Jessica, $25,000, pretty exciting day.
Through teaching, and when I started, I realized not every kid does love coming to school, and so I want to change that and make school a fun, exciting place to be and do cool things with the kids that they enjoy.
A really big shout out I want to give to Linda Fox. She's the reason I'm a teacher. In the 10th grade, I was ready to give up on a lot of things, and she taught me not to. So, thank you.